Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Outlook settings. Once done, navigate to Mail right arrow sync email to add a connected account. You need your Gmail address and login ready, and if you use Google two-step verification, prepare an app password. Make sure to allow browser pop-ups so the Google permission screen appears. This step starts the OAuth handshake that lets Microsoft access Mail without storing your raw password long-term, so you can safely proceed to grant access. Next, pick Google/Gmail as the connected account type and follow the OAuth prompts. You'll see Google's permission screen, grant Mail, contacts, and calendar access if you want full sync. If Google blocks sign-in due to two-step, create an app password in your Google account and paste it when prompted. Make sure to choose whether you want two-way sync or import only and select specific folders to avoid clutter. Once configured, Microsoft builds the sync profile and starts downloading messages. Finish by sending a test message from Outlook as your Gmail address and confirm incoming mail arrives. Once verified, set Gmail as a sending alias or default if you prefer. Make sure to tidy up duplicates in your Microsoft account aliases so notifications route correctly. If something goes wrong, authorization denied or sync errors, clear browser cache, remove the connected account, then reauthorize. And if you use two-step, create a fresh Google app password. That usually resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.